What an outfit.
I know a secret. I know a big secret. It's a good secret. That's a nice secret.
Oh, Sammy.
You don't know my secret. You don't know.
Oh, Sammy, please! I'm begging you, tell me more about that secret! Oh, my feta, that's so beautiful!
Told ya!
You know, we totally have to make something extraordinary to store all that tremendous beauty. Come on!
Yay! Guys, do you want to know a secret? Here it is!
Hi, guys! Just check out this awesome new stationery that Sammy bought! Isn't it great?
And today we're gonna make the coolest organizer to store all this!
Okay, Mr. Excitement. We got it!
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you people!
Why don't we get to work already? Today we're gonna need a lot of cardboard. Since we want our organizer to be really special, this time I was thinking about making it an unusual shape. No sharp angles. Uh-huh. And we'll get…
A crewmate? Seriously? This is awesome, Sue!
I knew you would love it, Sammy. Now let's cut it out. But first… As always, guys, be careful with the cutter. You should try to cut straight along the lines. You might even ask an adult to help you at this stage just to make sure that everything looks neat.
Sue, since you came up with the shape of our organizer, can I pick its color?
Of course, Sammy. I'm listening.
You better be watching! Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribidi!
Great trick, Sammy! And I like your choice of color! Okay, what we're gonna need for the next step is a steady hand, because we will be making the edge all around this piece with a black marker.
This way that guy will look just like its prototype in the video game!
Exactly! And we need one more line over here. Uh-huh. This way.
Guys, while you were not looking, I made the backside wall!
And you did great! Note that this piece shouldn't have the black edge. All right. Here comes the almost most important part for today. Be careful with the cutter, guys. You gotta hold these two pieces really tight to cut them in equal halves.
Susan, you're an imposter! How could you?
And you are acting like a drama queen, Sammy. Besides, we are still gonna keep all these halves together. Do you want to know how it will work? Then stay tuned, guys! One more cut and… that's it! Great!
Hey, Susie! I was testing my new stationery. Wanna see what I drew?
Oh, this is just what I need. Oh, wait, I've already painted the piece. Sorry, Sammy. So, you were saying?
Check out what I've got here! This could be the design for our craft!
That's a great idea. Why don't you go deal with that decor part while the guys and I are finishing up here? Look out for your fingers, guys. The glue inside this glue gun is really hot. Now we need to carefully glue this cardboard strip right here. There we go.
In case you didn't get it yet, the width of your organizer depends on how wide that strip is.
Sammy, the decor!
All right.
Try not to use too much glue so that everything looks neat, like this. And if we attach the front piece over here, we'll get the upper half of our organizer!
Wow, that was fast and simple!
You don't say! All right, guys, the bottom part of our craft is done in the same way. So let's speed up a bit. And here it is! This little piece of corrugated cardboard will hold the two halves together. All we need is…
Susie, let the great craft master deal with it!
Okay.
Yay!
And what should I do now? Of course! We almost forgot about the mask! Any Among Us crewmate should have one.
I guess somebody is ready to work with decor a bit.
And the final touch, a thin strip of black foam paper to make this mask look more real. Sammy, come on! Bring our organizer!
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I can't wait to fill it up!
Just a couple more seconds, Sammy. Hup, terrific job with this egg decor, by the way. Now let's open it up. Whoa, Sammy, when did you do this?
That was my creative impulse, Sue! That's not bad at all!
What are you talking about? We did great here! Do you agree, guys? Then support this cool organizer with a lot of thumbs ups!
Yeah, but we still kind of have a few stationery items left, but there's no place for them inside that crewmate!
Well then, I guess we have no other choice but to make one more Among Us stationery case! Don't go anywhere, guys! All right, guys, just to make sure that you remember all the steps, let's repeat them real quick. Then we'll paint it. Ooh, green! I like it! And now we'll make the edges black. There we go. Now we need to cut both of these pieces in half.
I've been thinking, maybe this time we can make a couple of sections inside the organizer. You know, to keep something small in there.
That's a great idea, Sammy! And it's good that you told me about it right now. Just let me finish with this piece and we'll see what we can do. There we go! Hup! Securing this piece in this place is kinda tricky, guys, because of so many turns.
You can do this, Susie! Come on! You're the best! Woohoo! Give this video a thumbs up if you agree, people! Yay!
Okay, let's see. We can glue a small piece of cardboard over here to make a little pocket for, let's say, clips. And we can also divide this space into two separate sections.
Yes, I like that! Go, Susie! Go, Susie!
Just don't forget to be very careful with the hot glue, guys. Here we go. Press a little. And the second one. Great! Hey, Sammy, did you by any chance have time to finish the upper part of this organizer?
Go! Oopsie, my bad. I'll do it in a mere second. Just move a bit.
Thank you, Sammy the Great! What we need to do now is put our craft together. Here we go. A little bit of pressure. Great! And here's the bone!
Here is a mask, Susie. Did I do everything right?
Let's see. You did it perfectly, Sammy! Good job!
And what about the decor? Will this organizer have something special?
Oh, it will! Check this out! I think this crown will look good on our green crewmate!
All right, soldiers! Are you ready? Let's go! General Susan, everybody is in their place!
Thanks! Guys, just look at this! Everything's here! The pens, the pencils, and even the little clips! Awesome! Do you want to check out both of our organizers from today? Then let's do this!
Da-da-da-da-da. Hey, Susie! Could you give me the red marker, please?
Sure, Sammy. Hup! There you go! What are you drawing, anyway?
Just give me a second, and you'll see. Now you can look, Sue!
Okay. What's that? A bunch of different slimes?
Not just slime, Susie! These are the Among Us slimes, and trust me, one of them is an imposter. But guess what? It's a secret! Which one? Ha-ha!
Guys, thanks for being with us today. If you like these two organizers, then give us a thumbs up. And if you're planning to repeat these crafts, please subscribe to our channel.
Oh, no secret! I won't tell Susie! Na-na-na!
And I'll go deal with that. Bye-bye, everyone!